Hirose HR30 series and LF series connectors support reliable high-speed data transmission between sensors, controllers, robots, and other equipment in harsh industrial environments. The HR30 and LF series are compact, quick-mate connectors that are engineered for long-term exposure to the elements, with waterproof sealing, resistance to UV exposure, and corrosion. The HR30 series feature lightweight plastic shells with up to 12 positions and support data rates up to 1 gigabit per second. They have a user-friendly push-pull mating mechanism with clear alignment marks, providing quick operation while achieving IP68 sealing. LF series connectors are shielded and have a more rugged metal shell sealing up to IP68, a bayonet locking mechanism for enhanced vibration resistance, and support for data rates up to 10 gigabits per second. They're offered with up to 20 positions, including hybrid power and signal types. Learn more at abacus.com.